You don't know, this is your girl Rakisha representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Records. You have to tell you, say, I have a bad rhythm out called At Ice Rhythm. I have a song on it like Where Are You Jaja from Lady Soul. Girl, come on, bad, my bad so from Simple. And one next song left on it called Dress Code from who? Rat Chapo. Yes, everybody wants to go check it out on Apple Music and Spotify. At Rhythm out, At Ice Rhythm. Yeah, you don't know. One Bad Bigs Entertainment Records.
Welcome to Irawma, 40 years. What a time. To Sean the family and just really want to say big up Bad Bigs Entertainment.
Blessed up, this is Irawma representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment promotion. Good luck. Right, that's what Irawma representing. Yeah. Never go the wrong congregation, boy. Whoa. Your Bad Bigs are burn pagans, so I never go where the pagans go. Blessed up, this is Warrior King, Bad Bigs Promotion. Big up yourself, Bad Bigs Entertainment Promotion. This is Warrior King, Rastafari. Blessed up. It's a show with Roots man, rock and rhythm. In dance, and a feature being entertainment. Friendness. Warrior King, come in at this Warrior King. Yeah, really. Warrior King, I'm ready. We're in that Bad Bigs Entertainment right about long time. Warrior King and Sugar Wayne. Bad Bigs Entertainment. Say the thing should have been in dance, and then in dance. Every time. Foundation. Price.
So, here he goes. From last year into this year, the awards keep flowing. Put your hands together for Bounty Killer receiving an award that was there from last year. Well deserved, Rodney. Well deserved. So,
thank you. I don't get them something regularly, you know. Because them say you're not a king in your own kingdom, so I guess Jamaica don't recognize all the goodness, all the good people has done some other time, but this time is a good time. This was from in the virtual time when we couldn't come out. So from that to this, thank you all. Give thanks, Irawma, and tell you what, we have to stand up with who stand up with us. Irawma is one of the longest standing reggae and dancehall award ceremony going on. It's not easy to keep these things going. Even in the pandemic, these people make sure they recognize who to be reckoned. So listen, Jamaica, let's support us. Everybody excited about the Grammy and the Amy and the Nami, but listen me, Irawma, this ain't no drama. 40 years, no. Why that?
Tell them of the face and them of the figure. Remind me of the Benz and the Lexus. He have this girl, only my pleasure, them the precious and the gold of the treasure. Boy, come a road and a from and a rock. A last red room as a boat till it's off. Shelly say ya na ya, she a cut, she a clap. Then come quick as a run and fight for. Oh Lord, come quick as they'll cancel them tired him up. Oh Lord. Send it! Yeah! Oh, turn up this snow! Woman, I heard a little rumor last night. Somebody tell me you ain't doing me right. She wasn't doing me right while I be turning my back. She ain't no playing the field. Playing the field. Look me in my eyes and said to me, is that real? Oh girl, I wanted to know, I just want to know, she give it away, like every day. Give up believing a single word you say. Yeah, is it? Irawma, she living too dangerous for me. Is it me about it on TV? Too dangerous for me. And that, she'll think she bad then follow me, you know. Wait till go down the beat. Let's see that thing I'm not to the difference tomorrow. Let her. Young time me riding on me Listen to me. Irawma.